What's up, amigos? Today we have the aerodynamics of a dad who is disappointed. And we can contrast this with a video we did a few days ago of someone being stoked. And we can see that the wakes are very different. So being disappointed is actually more aerodynamic than being stoked. You can see that behind the back, the wake is far smaller. There is still a little bit of a roll up, but it's not nearly as wakey as the stoked guy. The legs seem to be pretty aerodynamic as well. We'll check a bit more about that in the next video. And now we have the Y plane going from left to right through the disappointed dad and is colored in the U magnitude. And we can see that the wake is still quite large, but it's far smaller behind the back compared to the stoked individual. And between the legs, actually, around the knee section, there's this acceleration of flow, and it gets up to like 25 meters per second, maybe even faster. So that's interesting. Maybe putting your legs a bit further apart might help the wake be smaller there. I don't know, because the stoked guy, he had a smaller wake around his legs. So that's the trade-off we have here. Do you want to be disappointed or stoked? And these animated streamlines show the wake again. And similarly, we've seen a few people where the wake goes down at a bit of an angle, and it happens here as well. If you look downstream, a few of the streamlines seem to go down at a slight angle. That means that this person is probably producing a little bit of lift. And then we have the familiar wake behind. So that's the end of this simulation. If you want to make your experiments better and make your CFD validation easier, get Atmosphere Hawk. It's an instrument we make. Link in the description. Peace out, amigos.